Hi, Jason with Tormach. We just want to take a minute and say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. We made this fun little Christmas tree ornament. The design was inspired from our 3-flute end mount, so let's enjoy some cutting footage. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for an in-depth video on the making of this tree. It was a fun project with some really great learning moments along the way. Again, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from all your friends here at Tormach. We hope your holidays are filled with joy and happiness.